こんばんは。それで煮物は食べた？
何を？
煮物。
煮物食べたよね。食べたよ。
食べた？美味しかった？
美味しかったよ。
じゃあよかった。ちゃんと覚えてたね。煮物食べたの覚えてたね。
そう？だって覚えてるよ。食べたから美味しかった。
よいしょ。 がとう。
Arigato.
Arigato. Very much.
What does it mean?
Thank you very much.
In
In Yorkshire.
so? Is that so?
Very much, yeah.
Yeah, Yorkshire.
Yeah, but it's just like saying ta.
Ta. Yes, ta. Yeah.
Or sometimes chisel, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Where do you get shisol?
From an online shop.
Oh, really? Eh? The fresh one?
No. I think it must be dry.
Freaks one?
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Watching the days go by, staring at clouds in the sky. Then you came around, made my heart pound. Suddenly everything's brighter now. Things are more beautiful than they ever used to be. Ever used to be. A little scared, but there's no doubt in my brain. Don't wanna listen to the words that they say. A step too close and everything crumbles. Please don't let go. Wish I could stop time and be with you. I just wanna be with you. Baby, stay with me. Just look at me right in the eye. For a moment forget that you're shy. Cause when I'm with you, I feel brand new. I'm going mad. I think about you a little too much. Just a little bit too much. At this point there's no one else in my brain. Don't wanna listen to the words that they say. A step too close and everything crumbles. Please don't let go. Wish I could stop time and be with you. I just wanna be with you. Baby, stay with me. Baby, stay.